One of my students gained 135 followers in under 30 seconds by doing this on Instagram. Now, this was without buying bots, without, doing the fake follow for follow and like all those engagement train stuff. That's none of that, okay? We don't teach that here. This actually happened. This is not some sort of like crap clickbait, and it can, I can't put a number on it for you, but you could definitely have followers waiting to follow you, okay? So today we're gonna go over how I found out about this, how I told my students about it, how I'm like trying to spread the word, because the thing is, if these followers are not approved by you, Instagram will actually delete them after 30 days, okay? First, if you're new here, I'm Ashley Robbins. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We talk all the things, growing your business, growing your gram, and growing your bank account, okay? This blew my freaking mind when I found out about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring up my iPad with my Instagram account up on it so I can kind of walk you through this. Basically, what I was doing one day, I was just kind of clicking around on my account. Like sometimes Instagram will put features there that they don't tell us about, or like they'll switch things around. So I'm just always kind of poking around. So basically what I was doing one day, I was just clicking around and I somehow just happened to hit my followers, okay? And I scrolled over and I was like, subscriptions, what's that? And it's like, just accounts that you follow that offer subscriptions that you can go to. But then I saw this other little tab at the top and it said flagged. And I was like, what? So I actually have this setting off now, but as a default, it's on for everyone, okay? And what happens is Instagram is actually flagging accounts that they think could be potential spam accounts or bots. But when I was reviewing the ones that I had pending, now I didn't have 135 like my student did. I had 12 people hanging out in here that were waiting for me to review and approve them. But a lot of the times they weren't spam accounts at all. They were actually just like newer accounts that genuinely wanted to follow me. So Instagram isn't that great at knowing which to like flag yet. Mine is off now, but if yours was on, it would say here too, if you don't review them in 30 days and approve them, then Instagram will automatically delete them from following you forever, okay? So you are losing out on potential customers and potential followers for your business, or just your account in general, by not checking this and making sure it's turned off. So my thoughts are, I'm kind of a scatterbrain. What if I don't remember to check back every 30 days and I'm losing out on followers? So I just turned my setting off, which by the way, if you're struggling with growth right now, I put together a $12 bundle. It's amazing. It has all my top secret Instagram strategies for growth. It's all bundled together. You get 12 tools. They're PDF guides, they're videos. It's so good. It's $12. Go grab it. So getting back to it, we're going to get right into it. I don't want to hold you guys up too long today. So there's this setting that I want to talk about, and there's just one other like bonus little setting I want to end the video with because I think it's important for you guys to know about as well. So if you hit the little hamburger menu, which is the 3 little lines in the top right-hand corner of your account, and you scroll down, okay, scroll, way down to where it says follow and invite friends, okay? And we click that. You're going to see followers, flag for review. Certain accounts, including potential spam, will need your approval to follow you when this is on. They will be held for review in your followers list, okay? You want to make sure that is off, okay? Unless you're going to remember to get in there at least once a month and go review all of these accounts, okay? I don't have time for that. I just turned it off. So that's my recommendation for all of you. I want to talk about one other setting that I came across lately that people are like, oh, I didn't even know that was there. It's because you can't find it on a mobile device. You can't do it on a tablet. You can't do it on a phone. You have to be on a desktop computer. So I'm going to just switch over on my computer and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. So basically all you're going to do is hit your profile and you're going to go down to, now a lot of people ask me about this. This is a little plugin I have. It's called Keywords Everywhere, and it just gives you some stats on your account. Totally not necessary if you don't want it. So basically you need to come down and you need to hit edit profile. Okay. And it's right here down at the bottom. It says show account suggestions on profiles. Now, this is usually on by default, but I have had a few students come to me and say that it wasn't on by default. So if you're ever on a desktop computer, I would recommend just going on and making sure this is on, because what this is like when you follow someone and you go to their profile and then it says accounts like this and there's a whole bunch like suggested to you. This makes it so that your profile can be in one of those suggested accounts. So that's another way to kind of get your face in front of more people. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little short video this week, and go out there and grow your freaking gram, guys.